So I went to Dollar Tree and grabbed this little basket, and I'm going to spray paint it in white color. You can do any color that you would like. I'm gonna take floral foam and stack up two of them together. Then I'm going to put some hot glue at the bottom, and then I'm going to attach it to the basket like that. So I'm going to do the same thing to the middle, and I'm also going to do the same thing to the other side to fill up the whole basket like that. Then I took these little branches, and I'm going to take them apart. So just turn it around like that a few times, and it should come out pretty simple. And then I'm going to place this little branch all the way around the little basket on each side, and also in the middle and all around it. One thing, I was gonna do the whole thing with this little branches, but I didn't like it how it turns out, so I'm gonna show you a little bit. So I decided to take or few them out and place it with this one instead. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing, cut it out, and I'm going to take a few of the other ones and I'm going to replace it with this one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place it inside like that. So I'm going to continue doing this until I do the whole thing, just taking it apart and putting this one inside. And let me show you, this is how it looks, and I didn't like it because it looks kind of messy, so I like it with this one instead. So after I did it like that, I'm going to go ahead and place a red flower in the middle, and then I'm going to place another white flower in the other side, and I'm going to do this to the other side as well. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. It's so simple that you guys can do at home, and it's easy to do. But I didn't want to just leave it as that, because even though it looks so cute, but I want to give you a different idea of how you can turn this centerpiece in different ways. Guys, you could also do this one in different color. You don't have to do it in white. You could do it in red, any color that you would like. So then what I decided to do was I'm going to take one of this little tube, and I'm going to place it inside like that. So just go ahead and place it inside like that, and then take it out, and that's going to give you a little hole. And the reason I'm doing this is to place the candle inside into place. You could put a little bit of hot glue in here if you want. So I'm going to do that in the middle as well, and I'm going to place another candle in the middle too. And then once I place the other candle in the middle, I'm going to do it to the other side. So I'm going to do 3 of these candles. So I'm going to just do the same process until I do the whole 3 candle. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. Super cute and super easy to do. One thing that I suggest for you guys to do, you can also do the candle red. I didn't have any white. I was going to do it white or red, or you could also do it in white. This is how it turns out with the light, and you already saw it, how it looks without the light. This is something so simple and expensive that you guys can do to decorate your home for a party or Christmas party, if you guys doing it in your home. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Let's not forget to like, follow, and comment down below letting me know what you guys think of this DIY. Thanks again for watching.